Hi, I will take a video to show you the size of the sugar we used for the cotton candy machine. So, this is the raw sugar we use for the machine. And the size should be look like this size. This is pink, blue, white and yellow. I will take something for reference. So I have a normal sugar we use for coffee. And this is the something. Oh, sorry, I can't. This. And we also use this. You can find anywhere. And also I have the something like make cocktail, something like this. So we will put them all together. I'll take, maybe this will look better. Oh, sorry. Put it on the phone. Well, so we put this here. So put the pen this size and something like this. And we have normal sugar for coffee. I'll take some out. So you can see it's too small, and it also has like block. They stick together. So this is not good. For machine, this is not good. Not good. So we can see that it is very small pounder. Well, this is the size we use for the machine, and this is the size we use for coffee. It's too small for the machine, so it will possibly get stuck. So this is not okay. This size is okay, or similar is okay. I will take some white. For reference. Oh, sorry. Take some white. I put it here. Oh, sorry. So you can see the difference. I will also take some pink. For this. So now you can see very clearly And the raw sugar for machine is much more bigger than the normal sugar we use for coffee. It's much more bigger. So you have to find a similar sugar locally